Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man. Over here at European Auto Works in Sequim, Washington. They're one of the most detailed trucks I've ever done. This truck has, on the outside, it has so many different things that have to be cleaned. We did the inside also too, so it's all cleaned up. Door jambs, doors, windows inside and out. Very detailed truck. It's a kit. Spent a lot of time on these wheels here. They are sparkling inside and out. You can see inside of there, all the brake dust is gone. All that is cleaned inside there and treated so the weather doesn't take a toll on it and it doesn't rust. Super nice truck. It's built like a tank is what it is. And, you know, it's got all these little things here. Those are treated. All the metal and the plastic and rubber has been treated on the outside of this truck. It takes a long time to do the outside of this truck. Left a few things in there, but that's okay. Clean, clean, clean. All cleaned up. Shiny. It took about 3 hours just to do the outside of this truck. It has so many details. You got all these little nuts. These have to be cleaned around with a brush, a toothbrush sometimes. It's got custom kind of like cage that has to be treated also. It's been treated so that the weather doesn't get to it. All the plastic and the rubber there. Door handles treated. This plastic definitely, and the front tray absolutely, along with the windshield wipers, have to be weatherproofed. Nice truck. Super nice truck. This is European Auto Works in Sequim, Washington. Right off the freeway, River Road, across from Taco Time and Applebee's. It's a big blue building. It's got a great shop inside. Here's the building. I'm gonna go in the shop real quick. It's getting kind of dark out. Can't really see that good. This color changes with the sun. So anyway, we're doing that motorhome over there. I'm gonna wash and wax that. You can see the kind of work they do in here. They work on these types of classic cars, European cars. Volkswagen. Even American cars. Classic. That's Jaguar. I detailed this jet ski. They got it all covered up. Turned out to be looking brand new. It's an older model jet ski. All these great toys. Hello. They work on the really expensive cars here. And this is one of the owner's toys. Pretty nice for a toy. I don't know if that's for sale or if that's one of the owner's toys. There's a sign, European Auto Works. Telephone number. Super nice guy. His name is Scotty. And you guys have a great day. Here's another little car that they work on. I've seen quite a few of these little mini cars here. And you guys have a great day.